Hi everyone, welcome to Color Tunes with Sampada and Purvi. Today we'll see how to make a wonderful gift for our wonderful teachers. So let's get started. So I've used acrylic paints, brushes and micron pen. So just take any paper cup. So I've used a paper glass and I've done the drawing using pencil. So we'll start painting. Now here we're painting the blackboard since it's Teachers Day special. So I've just taken black acrylic paint and I'm painting the board. A little bit of white in the middle just to give the board effect. The borders I have used ochre yellow. So just with a thin brush you can do this. Now this is the book we're doing, so I have used yellow ochre and a little bit of yellow mixed, and just with the pen I've just added the spring. So you can use any sketch pen also for this. Just do the outline. Now we paint the pencil. So I've used red over here, red, orange and blue. Here again it's yellow ochre and for the tip it's black. Now for our eraser, it's blue mixed with a little bit of red, so you get purple color, and then it's light blue. So just outline over there again. This is the bud we're painting. I've used crimson and white mixed together so you get pink. You would be wondering why we are doing flowers here, but it has a significance. Teachers help us to bloom from a bud to a flower. So that's the concept we've brought in here. For lighter shades, more of white, and for darker shades, more of crimson. Use a thin brush because it's easy to handle then. For the stem, I've used green. Here I've used blue, and here pink again, and now the flower has bloomed. So this is the flower. Again we go ahead with the same colors, crimson and white, darker and lighter as we want. Paper cups are really good for painting, so you can try out different paintings on these. Here I've used crimson and little bit of black mixed together. I've given an outline using micron pen. Here I've used ochre yellow and a little bit of white mixed together. And here you can write your message for your teacher. I've used a white pen over here. This looks so nice. So we're done painting on the paper cup. Now, since it's a gift for our teachers, let's add some chocolates. I've taken a netted gift wrapping sheet over here. So you just place the glass, wrap it using a ribbon. Wishing all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. So try this out and do gift it to your teachers. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.